Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create custom notification on Android phone, especially in Samsung phone. Okay guys, and if you have opened your notification sound on your setting and you see the list, and as you can see that there's no option to create custom notification on this setting. So to overcome this problem, we can go to our file manager and we can select the sound that we want to make it as notification. And for example, I'm going to select a sound from my internal storage, and wait guys, I'm going to select a sound from this folder, and this is the sound that I want to make it as my notification sound. So just copy the sound, click on copy, and we can go to our internal storage. We can look for the notification folder to add this sound to notification sound list on our settings. So just tap on notification folder and copy the sound right here. Okay, and we can go back to the settings. So just tap on the settings application on your phone. All right, and we can click on sound and vibration. Then we can tap on notification sound and choose the SIM card that you want to change the notification sound. And for example, I'm going to select SIM 1. And this is the sound that we have just added to our notification sound list on the setting, and we can select it. Alright guys, and that's how we can create custom notification on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.